Hello, welcome back to Mind Over Matter. Here's a quick video on law of attraction. So basically law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. Law of attraction uses the power of the mind to translate our thoughts into reality. Very few people are fully aware of how much of an impact the law of attraction has on their day to day life. Whatever you see in your reality now are the seeds that are the thoughts and emotions you planted at a certain point in your life in the past. Nothing can come into your experience unless you summon it through persistent thoughts. Our reality is a result of our thoughts. Law of attraction is very simple. You have to know what you want. Positive thoughts attract positivity. Negative thoughts attract negativity. The importance of positive thoughts and energy is paramount in the quest to manifesting destiny. This is going to affect your health, your relationships, and your successes. Do not focus on the negative, because when you think negative, you attract the lower lying energies and attract more negativity. Just as law of attraction applies to positive thoughts and outcomes, it applies to negative. For example, if you say I never win anything and you participate in a competition, you simply won't win. You declared you won't. The key is to give out the same energy you want back. Discipline is an excellent tool for changing negative thought patterns. The more you focus and discipline yourself to recognize negative thoughts and change them to positive ones, the more likely you are to have a positive outcome. Relying completely on the simple act of manifesting and focusing on what you want will not magically bring it to your doorstep. Action is required. It is necessary that you take required steps to work towards your goal. Do not expect thoughts to turn into reality overnight. Be patient. Trust your actions, vision, and process. That's all for today. I hope you liked my short video on law of attraction. See you guys on the next video. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe to Mind Over Matter. Thank you. Stay positive, stay connected.